Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to share my secret recipe with you for this special beer batter. And I guarantee you, I'll make this guarantee hands down. If you know someone that owns a restaurant that has seafood and you have them try this recipe, they'll put it on their menu and it'll be the #1 choice for their beer batter, for their batter recipe in their restaurant, hands down. It's that good. It's amazing. So hold on. So I'm out here on the beach and I just remembered I forgot to run my irrigation system. So I pull up and I'm running my irrigation system. Oh dude, I could water my lawn. Oh man, so I'm all out here by myself. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, she's nice. She's probably about 36, 34. Gotta go back in the water. She's nice though. It is. Ooh. Oh, that's the Spanish. You can put tartar on it if you want, but it's so light. That's amazing. Awesome. Yeah, guys, so we've been doing a lot of fishing down here. We catch a lot of big reds, which we can't keep. We have to release them because of the slot limit. Basically, anything over 23 inches has to be released because it's a breeder fish. So there's a slot, so it's like 14 to 23 that you can keep. But we caught some Spanish mackerel the other day, and so I made this batter recipe for my son, and he said, dude, you've got to do a video on this. This is amazing. So I'm going to share it with you real quick. It's equal parts flour and this right here. This is Louisiana seasoned. It's a cornbread style fish fry breading mix, but it's actually more cornbread. If you use this alone, it gives a crunchy kind of taste to the fish and it's okay. It does have seasoning inside of it. It has its own seasoning, so you don't need anything. I think you can actually get this on Amazon. I probably got this at Walmart or something, but here's the recipe. 50% flour, 50% the breading mix. So if you're going to put, let's say, half a cup of this, just doing a small batch, half a cup of flour, half a cup of the seasoning, a teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and then Yuengling regular beer. I was going to bring out a Yuengling, but they're all gone because my son drank them. We only have lights. You don't want to use the lights. You want to use the regular can. We get the cans, the dark red Yuengling. You mix it up. Now here's the secret to this. Normally you think of a batter as you dip and pull it out and put it in. You don't want it that thin. You actually want to make it to the point where you can stir it with a spoon, but you almost have to push the fish into it. So the way that I do this is I cut my fish into chunks or strips. I flour it, and then I push it into this batter, and then I drop it into the fryer. And I cook it probably about 2 minutes in hot oil, turn it 2 minutes in hot oil, and bring it out. Now what happens? What happens is it's almost like this sweet sort of beer flavored Hushpuppy surrounding the fish, and it's absolutely amazing. I mean, amazing. So all I'm gonna say is give this recipe a try. Again, equal parts of this, equal parts of flour, baking powder, and then pour in the beer while you stir, and you want to make it thick. Flour the fish, push it into it, get a nice thick coating on it, drop it in there, and it forms sort of a Hushpuppy on the outside. It's awesome. Give it a try. Talk to you later. Doc.